Creating quality AI generated short films whilst maintaining character consistency has always been a challenge since AI tools were released about 2 years ago. In the past year, I've tested all kinds of image to video models to find a workflow that actually delivers consistent cinematic results. And whilst I've had my luck using different methods, I always knew that something better was coming. Well, that day came on March 25th when OpenAI released their new image generation model, which is also available within Sora. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create pro-level short films whilst maintaining character consistency or just using prompts. So we start our process in ChatGPT, and this is where we brainstorm plot ideas for our short film. Now, the exact prompt that I used will be in the description. Once you're happy with the plot idea, the next step is to ask ChatGPT for a prompt that will generate an image of the main character. That prompt will also be in the description. So you want to grab the character prompt and head over to Sora. And this is where we can access the ChatGPT image generator. So enter the prompt and check out the results. Keep regenerating until you get something that you're happy with. Notice how I made the background white. Now I'm not actually sure, but I have a hunch that the results are better by doing this. So once you've locked in the version you like, download the image, and this will be the image that maintains your character consistency. Now, if you want the main character to be you, just take a photo of yourself standing in front of a white wall in a well-lit room. So now we have our plot and now we have our main character. Next, we need individual shot prompts that make up the scene for our short film. And for this example, I'm just going to do one quick scene of the short film. So now let's give ChatGPT the image we just generated of our character. And now let's ask for individual shot prompts that make up our scene. Once the shot prompts are ready, let's grab them and head back to Sora. Upload the image of your character, enter the prompt, and generate the shot. Then repeat this process for the rest of the prompts. So now we have our individual images with our character. Before we turn them into videos, let's have a quick look at each type of shot that makes up the scene. So first we have establishing shots, and these are shots used at the beginning of a scene to show where the story takes place. Medium shots frame the character from the waist up, and it gives a balance of body language and environment. Close-ups focus tightly on a face, hands, or an object to highlight emotion or detail to that specific thing. Now you can use any video generator you like, including the one within Sora. However, I'm going to use Luma Dream Machine, and that's because they have this video to audio feature that lets you add sound effects into each individual video. Link for Luma is in the description as well. So let's grab our images and let's head into Luma, and you can add a prompt or select the camera motion. Once it's generated, we click onto audio and we add the sound effect. Rinse and repeat this process until you're finished. Then grab all of your clips, put them into a video editor, and here's the final product.
Yes.
So this, in my opinion, is the best method to create short stories or films whilst maintaining character consistency. And if you want to create a short film where the characters are speaking, I would recommend using Kling because they have a lip sync feature, and they also just released their brand new 2.0 model, which I'm currently testing, and I will be doing a video about that next. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, guys. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.